All right.
All right, good morning.
Hey.
Wasn't much of news.
Huh?
So there was news at 8:30, but it wasn't much. Didn't do anything. Where are my glasses?
Didn't think we'd have that much going on.
Nah.
All right. All right. Let's. What do you want to do? Tell me what you see. What do you see, boss? I wish you could double click.
What's double click what?
Oh, hold on a second. Sorry about that, Paul. Dealing with some first world problems here.
Hey, first world problems are good to have.
Yeah, my buddy's dog. He's found a lump on it, and he asked me what to do, and I was like, uh, check it for cancer. If it's not cancer, don't do anything until it starts growing.
Yeah, exactly.
If it starts metastasizing, then you have it cut out. All right.
And if it's cancer, you can't do anything about it. So
Yeah,
unless
cut
you
it
want
out. That's it.
to, well,
It's a little tiny one on the rib cage, so
oh, okay. That's,
it should be pretty easy for him to cut out. Because I think you knew that my older golden retriever went through that a couple years
yeah.
back.
Hmm.
All right. Well, we're kind of in the middle of nowhere here on the ES, aren't we?
Yeah. And the NQ. It's kind of,
Now the question you ask yourself is, I don't know, what have you looked at so far? Tell me, and I'll fill in. Or do you want me to just run through my what I'm seeing right now?
uh, go ahead. What?
Uh,
Yeah, go ahead. I mean,
well,
I can,
remember I was thinking that this was a couple weeks ago. Let's just go back up. Same little shelf area, same little shelf area, same little shelf area. Um, so I was thinking this was all the setup for the dump. We're just sitting right above that. So my thought is, and this, remember I told you this looked like a bigger inverse Head and Shoulders, which it
hmm
turned out to be. The
which it
model
actually turned out to be. Yeah.
turned out to be. So I think we mark the top of this area as a high area of interest today. So basically the bottom of the Globex.
Uh, yep. That's exactly what I'm thinking. I
Um,
think Globex will be strong today if it breaks.
because of this, because of that inverse Head and Shoulders area, um, which it actually turned out to be, and then a run to all time highs from there. So we got two things. I think we get down a little bit lower. Our buying opportunity. I think we could get a runner probably down here from like maybe like the 950 area ish. That would be
971 is a level I have. Is that something that jives with you?
971. The only reason I want to say the 950 area is this one push down just shows this to be this area from the inverse Head and Shoulders to be
Okay.
huge support. So
Yeah, we can go a little bit lower than, yeah.
let's just. I think if we're going to mark a number off today, we mark 950 off. Um,
I
and
can get on board with that.
if it go, if we're well, I mean, whatever this low is here, what's that low?
This is
That's
the year.
right around 950, right?
I'm
50, 25, whatever.
50, 20, yeah, 50, 50, yeah. Yeah. See, I'm in my area of support right now, which is 971, but
Well, I
you're
mean,
right. I think it'll
I
go
believe it
lower.
is, but I mean, if we're looking at a big picture, and we hit 950, there might be a huge. We might try long a couple times. Is what I'm saying. Trying to say. It's
All right, I'll mark 150. Or
950
950,
just
excuse me.
remind me of that. I think on the ES, that's a big one.
All
Obviously, what
right.
the big tick chart says, but we could get an opportunity at a huge runner from there if we get down around that 950 area. On the flip side of that, I think I'm selling anything that pushes up at this point, based on the past few days, past couple days. Nice little, almost a
713 is
trend
where,
line here.
yep. Yeah, it's actually decent.
So we've actually switched to like a down move, a, a down market, which I was telling you when you said it was going to go up, and I was like, yeah, I don't have any. There's no freaking reason for it to go up. And we had that same thing around this 25, call it 600, all the way up to 630. So between 630 and maybe 600 or 5. 570, 580 to six.
Five,
Yeah, something like that, right?
five, yeah.
580 to six. All right, let me
I
write
mean,
this
it is
down. You know,
730 and 540 were the two I had on NQ7
730. All right,
and 540.
then let me use 540.
540, yeah, that's the other one I had. 730 and 540, the two I had marked as support. Then on the upper end, I have 26,000, obviously, and really
Let
around
me mark this
26,000.
down. Wait, it really is right there at 550 ish. Okay, areas of interest. Obviously, I like to make sure we have opportunity at the most. I don't really think on the RTY we really think too much into this other than it hit its high and has backed down from it, and we've got our levels here to trade it from. Trade the levels. RTY looks like it's gonna be an in. I think we're gonna see two-way trading today. To be honest with you, now that I look at everything, it'll be inside acting days. I mean, obviously, again, we are two-way trading anyway, no matter what we're doing, right? With the bigger tick chart, but
Yeah, this is yeah, could be two-way trading, but if anything, if it to me, if anything, it will break down if it goes, if we have a run. But I think two-way trading is probably a safer bet.
and I
But
think the long run
again,
60 is probably a good bet too, considering the daily has bounced off here several times. If it can break below this little area, there's room to run down. But I mean, that's a pretty well defined trading range, isn't it?
I think so. I think we got enough to go on that.
I'd like to see it
Let's
from the
see.
extremes, which is on the lower extreme. So maybe a little bit lower. We get a buy opportunity this morning on 6E. Looks like that, doesn't it? But I'll take the
20.
first one that comes. I think we're in an area where we can trade either one. It's not like it's. I don't think that's going to matter. I mean, I've had a big time short bias on 6E and a big time long bias on CL, but GC, I don't know what to do with that with GC up here. I do know that we probably have found a level. I can see that. Definitely a level up here. This might be our like high area.
Yeah, it's been
Some
sticking right here for a while. So
some kind of level right around
47,
here. 40. Where you at? 47? Yeah, maybe 46,
47,
47.
46, 47, somewhere around there. I'm
The
not
only
being
reason I'm looking at
exact.
46 is because yesterday's high was right around 40, 40, 40. What was it?
Yeah, 45, 46.
Yeah, there you go.
That
45,
makes sense.
46. Right between, yeah, right around there. 45, 46.
I
So
don't think we need to split hairs when it comes up there.
no, but
Just get
we don't
clean
get an
entry.
overbought setup for a
That's what I
short.
said. We got to just get a clean entry.
Well, that's what I'm saying. Is that if it's clean but not 100% overbought on stochastics, like clean like this, I still think we look for the short on that.
All right. I'm game on that.
If it's clean like that, I mean, like small with wicks, I mean everything, right? All right, so there's my notes. I think our notes.
What did you say
Let's see.
support was on Russell? Six
I
twelve.
don't really
Six
have
twelve is what I.
one because of the all-time high thing. If I had to look at it, I mean, there's not really. If anything, it's back down here where this consolidation was at the end of the day, and then
That's why I said 612 is what I got marked. So
somewhere
that's
around.
fine.
Yeah,
Six
so that's we're
fifteen
close
12.
enough on that then.
We're always a couple, well, a couple points off. All
Because
right.
I'm more like, close is close enough for me.
Gold was 47. Why do I have that?
I don't, I don't like doing support and
Gold
resistance on gold or crude because
641. Why do I have that?
they tend to try to bust them from time to time just to do it. I think, but there's
Oh,
definitely a level on CL here.
well,
It's
we're
a
gonna get our.
pretty strong level.
Yeah.
One thing I'm not going to do today is I'm not going to miss this freaking CL trades that would have been 1,000% money.
Oh,
Three of them yesterday hurt my feelings bad. Now, again, I think the hype over all the crap, the geopolitical stuff is dying down. So we could end up with a pretty decent little runner on the short side on CL. So potential runners today are probably to be had on bigger pullbacks to the longs for the indices. Bigger pullbacks to the longs on the indices. And short CL. Gold, I'm afraid of gold this morning, to be honest with you. It's too
I mean, it's
tight.
basically just ranging. It's not. It's not anything really.
Yeah, it's just ranging. That's the thing.
We just got to get some clean swings and clean setups. I'll stay away from it till then. It'll happen. Let's see what time is it? 7 minutes. Make sure I'm all on my right accounts. That is micros, minis. Yep. Good to go. Good to go there.
Okay. Well, since we got nothing going on right now, thought maybe we run through this real quick. I think again, follow the big tick charts. We missed. Here's one thing about yesterday is I got sidetracked. I was a little distracted there.
You were distracted. Yeah, whatever you had going on was eating your brain away. Your brain.
Yeah.
I just say we got to stick to the plan. Just stick with the big tick setups. Overbought, oversold. Proper setups on the big tick. Take the trade. Uh, we've already proved that we're going to be right more than we're wrong. So
So you said don't overthink the big tick chart.
yeah, definitely don't overthink the big chart. When it
What
sets
I
up, just
said,
take the damn
that's
trade.
it. Doesn't matter if it's long or
Yeah,
short.
long or short, just take it. Doesn't matter. I mean, we've already, like I said, we've already proved we're going to be right more than we're wrong. So
True. True. Uh, I just we gotta. I think we just need to be a little. And I need you to push me to be a little bit more conscious of not missing these trades because they're this week I've missed too many trades that should be just outright done.
I'll start. I'll start talking a little bit more about it. When I start seeing
Oh
things, I'll
yeah,
just say it.
yeah. Because I really I don't know.
CL.
Part of yesterday that bothered me was the missing those couple of those trades that I just knew if I just been conscious enough to look at it, those are
Well,
good
the
points.
CL, we were talking about it. Then we went and did something else. We talked about something else, and by the time we came back, it was already done.
Yeah. I was thinking about that
Yeah.
last night too. I just need to be like, hey, all right. When I haven't thought about something, I'll just be like, hey, Paul, watch this chart.
We need to let's
Let me look
focus
at
on
something
that.
else.
Yeah,
Let me focus on something else. You
exactly.
watch this freaking chart. Tell me it sets up.
That's probably smart.
So I don't miss the trade because I remember what happened. I know exactly what happened yesterday. We were sitting. Well, that one that irritates a little. That one at 12 at 1300. But the real one was back here.
That's the one I accidentally got in thinking it was a 6E.
Well, you got into the short here.
Oh, the short. That's right. Yeah, it was a short.
Um, so the early morning long, this one that finished here, I talked about it with you because I told you I remember I told you I drew this. We talked
Hmm.
about that support line,
And some we were doing
and
something. We changed our mind. We were looking at something
and
because I
you
remember
started
I said,
looking at
"Oh
something
crap."
else, and the long happened on this bar right here pretty quick,
I think
and
when we're close to setup, we have to just focus on that.
well, there was another
Like,
setup
well,
happening at the same time. That's what I went to look at. That never ended up setting up. So we'll have designated duties. Yes, I said duty.
duty.
Yeah, you said duty.
Let's make some money.
Let's make some.
Come
Oh,
on, open up.
we're having a little bit of a.
4 more minutes.
What's PetSmont? Text that to me, Tony.
What's what? Oh, yeah, let me turn on the.
PBR.
I'm not looking at the chat here. Let me see. Good morning. Good
Oh,
morning,
Hank just
everybody.
messaged me.
Did he?
Yeah, text me what you're talking about. I'll send it to my buddy. If you got my cell phone number, then I can tell you to text me. Dan done Dan F. Uh, should be. He may need some help getting into. He's another old. I don't know how to use Discord person. And Red Wine's still in
I,
the member hangout.
I was thinking about that last night. Red wine's gonna be stuck in the member hangout forever.
Yeah, he
Uh,
finally went out. Now maybe he's gonna come in the member. He might be learning something. Look at Red Wine.
hey, you in here?
He went out of the member hangout
Yeah,
in the voice channel all by himself.
he's he's becoming a techie.
Yeah, you're gonna be fixing
Soon
my
he'll be
computer,
helping.
Red Wine.
I was gonna say soon he'll be fixing our computers.
I need you to work on my computer, Red Wine.
All right, calm down, calm down. I drug him up in here. No,
Oh, did you move him over
it's
here?
not
Okay.
as it's not as great as what you guys are saying. So
Oh, you did it, Rusty.
He drug.
yeah, I drug him.
That's hilarious.
All right, Danny here.
Oh,
Is
thank you,
that a
man.
new
Thank you,
guy?
thank you, thank you, Eddie Trades.
Yeah,
Oh
Danny
man.
that popped in.
Every
Is
time
that
we don't have
the guy
anything
you were
going on, I
talking
think
about?
Eddie Trades, you should just jump on and have fun with us.
Yeah, if you
Oh,
want
That'd be
to
I'm
fun.
shoot
I'm
the
all
shit with
for it,
us,
man.
we're here.
All right, man. As long as it don't
You could
bother
you
you.
could tell
I won't
jokes,
interrupt
whatever.
trades.
Well, we don't have any
Tell
trades to
Joe.
take right now.
Stand
Well,
on
then
your
go.
head, gargle peanut butter, whatever we
Yeah,
want to do,
spin
right?
some plates.
Okay.
What's that monkey with the cymbals? Ting 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 ting.
Oh,
All
37
right, here we
minutes.
go.
Let's
Showtime.
do this.
Do this
Let's
thing.
do it. All right. I don't think the Open's going to come with a lot of. I mean,
See what happens. I'll let you know in 3 seconds.
I don't see anything that I'm really excited about taking action on. If this breaks down, though,
Let's take a break of that overnight
if it
low.
well, if
Might
it
be
breaks
worth.
down, we look for that big time long, right? Like we talked about this
Yeah.
morning. RTY is pushing up for a short. Do we want to do RTY through the Open? I don't know if
Uh,
I'm up for that.
I think we hold off a little bit.
And there's nothing. There's literally no other like. I mean, you have a thought process that if 6E got a little bit higher, that's a sell, but then it would be overbought, so it fit the rules. You,
Well, let that RTY come up a little higher. Might be.
at that level I have there,
Mm,
okay. If that sets up, we can take that short. We can look for that.
Asian high there. RTY is
I'm gonna
hitting
try to
that.
do because I've gotten bit a
That's a
couple times.
short.
We
Well,
just missed. Is that it? Did we take it?
yeah, that was it.
Oh,
We
I
missed
think I
it.
need to do it.
You might be a little.
Maybe a little early, but
Yeah, you're a
this guy
tad
didn't even
early if
know
you're
my
going to
name
jump
till
in
later.
that.
I don't know which one. I told you I had to do it. I just took it, but I don't know which account I did it on. This one. I had it on the wrong account. Sorry about that. Good call on that one, Paul.
There's your break.
As
Yeah,
soon as
you
it
had to
bounced
be
back
quick.
up, I got 2 targets off.
I don't know if anybody
I don't know
got
how
that
far
though.
we
You
had to
had to be
get. That
super
was
quick on
easy.
that.
You had to jump into that like
I mean, it literally
you
happened
had
split second.
I just had to do it. I had to jump in, and my mouse was on the wrong. Was on this screen, so I
All right, well,
pressed the
let's watch
button.
this NQ and ES though, Brian. It's coming down.
Here's my long. Look at this.
Yeah, that's what
Okay.
I'm saying.
Now this is on the wrong. This is on the wrong account, but whatever. Because I traded on the wrong account here. I got
Man, that
2
was a
accounts
nice
set
little
up, but
long
that's
setting up
fine.
there. You're getting a long setup on the
Yes.
ES and the NQ.
Do do
But the NQ is oof.
do the buy stop. No, we're not. It's failing. I thought this was
Yeah.
going to be
Yeah,
failing.
yeah, that's what I'm saying. Hold off. This thing's not
Whoa!
done
Hit my
dumping.
target. Dang it! Hate it when you make money like that.
Sucks when you make money like that.
That was a good target though. Look at that. Turn right around right there. Maybe we do get the long down here on the NQ. A buy stop might give us targets. Do you? Oh, I couldn't get my trade in. That's the long though. No, that's not. That's a hard one to say that we missed. I'm not going to Monday morning quarterback that. That was my support
That's
though,
so quick.
and there you would have targets.
I did say it was a long early. It's still a while ago, but I didn't take it either. So
Dang it!
honestly, I'm a little probably. I would look for a short here, to be honest with you. I
Ah,
think.
that was stupid.
Yeah, I know. Well, we said we only talked about it pre-market.
Hey, we're going to take this trade. We're not going. We didn't take the trade. We're going to
You're
take
gonna
this
get it.
trade when it happens. I'm
You're
putting
getting a
yellow liner
short.
and everything for it. Take the
There's your
trade, dummy.
NQ. All right, GC is a nothing. Not doing anything really.
Yeah,
TL.
that's
Yeah, that was long. Damn it. Both of them.
I know. That's exactly what we said to do.
That's kind of hard. I mean,
400
it was
plus on that
quick.
NQ long. Good job, Yeti trades. I hope maybe somebody got it. We did talk about it. I mean, there's a reason I have a yellow line on my chart.
Nice, Yeti.
We
Nice.
did talk about it. I mean, that's dumb
I
on my
mean,
part.
not like we didn't tell you where to do it.
Uh-uh.
Just because we didn't do it,
Just because I didn't. Yeah, just because we didn't do
no
it.
excuse for you not doing
I
it.
have the RTY short. I gotta put this back on the account I was on. RTY, so I have them all split up again. Let's see. These go back on.
All right, let me get my bearings here. Back at
Let's get this short.
VWAP.
Let's get this short.
I'm thinking
Let's get this short.
this is up here in shorten territory.
Yeah, let me get up. Get my stuff ready to go here. Yes is up there. Let's see if I can get. Oh, ES is starting to set up too.
See what it does here at VWAP though, because if it breaks above this, it's going to keep going.
I think we can put a sell stop in comfortably here on the ES. Or just get into it.
We could, yeah.
Sell stop should go.
Pulling back to the freaking. Now maybe on the bigger chart.
Well, unfortunately, I think we just missed our opportunity there.
Right here at this VWAP. The only thing is if it breaks a.
This should
Yeah, I
this
think
should
this
be
is a
it.
short.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I'm in.
okay. I'm gonna put a sell stop in now right here.
Yeah,
It breaks down here. This is gone. Back
if it breaks
down.
through this, I think we're gonna be okay. There we go. Let's see what happens.
Just gotta go like, and oop, shoot. Well, I missed out on that chart. I did.
There we go.
On the other one, I did not. Keep
Chingy
doing this this
chingy.
morning. I keep doing
Chingy
it on the
chingy,
wrong
makey
account.
money.
I'm
Making
getting
money.
trades. I just did it on the wrong account again. Chart set to another account. The same one I had that RTY on for some reason. Target off. Easy one on that one.
Yep.
I was trying to get my paid account into it, which I did, obviously. On this little, there we go. I wish I'd gotten that NQ at the same time. That's
Yeah. Got them both at the same
threw
time.
me
Well,
so
that's all right.
far.
The CS will.
I feel like I was a little late on this. I feel like we should have been up here around 70.
Well, again, if you
76.
go by the big tick chart, you got in at the right time. I do agree with you. I
72.
think the entry was above there, but
And it'd been nice to have a little fill price up here on the NQ up around the 69.25. But I'll take this.
yeah.
This is a good little win. I'll take it. Yeah, switch that back to the right account when we're done with this too. All right. I this G like I talked about this morning. If GC is not perfect, I'm not taking it, and it's not perfect.
No,
But
GC's crap. Right? I'm not even looking at it to be
because it
honest
took
with you.
so
It's
long. But out of this
I don't want to be.
range, I don't think I want to play this range.
I don't want to tempt that. Not on GC. I
I
want
want to play
something
that range.
clean.
Now again,
E
CL, if it
RTY
sets
nothing
up, if
CL.
CL sets up long or short, I'm taking that.
But it's also kind of bunching up a little bit. ES and NQ though is playing nice right now.
I'm gonna be up a freaking $1,000 on this one account, and that'll be done. I mean,
Wow,
I'll
look at it.
consider
What
that
happened
done
to?
for my cash this morning, and trade everything else. As a matter of fact, that will be it for me after this on my cash. This is the one I'm copying to, so this is the one account that I'm copying my stuff to. So as you can see, the euro set to it. Why? Because that's where I'm telling you what I've been trading 6E and CL with predominantly with
Cash.
the copy trades to money because why? They're just so freaking reliable. I'll
Yeah.
go another tick down on the stock because if it comes back up here, I'm just watching these bigger wicks here. We should probably be that high as 72, right? What's it again? High as 72.25, 72.50 should be the stop. If it takes that out, technically we probably should really now be down here where these highs are. So that high is 71, 75, so 72 even. And I think the target's pretty good. I would get a little bit, couple more ticks out of that target.
It's still coming.
If it breaks,
It's coming. You're getting
we
down to
got
that.
all the
You're
way
at
down here,
the
man.
Globex low here. If we can bust through this, we should be good. I mean, this would be a breakout short if it did that.
I don't know about that. I've seen this
If
one
it breaks through it,
before.
then holds. We'll see. I mean,
Let's
I'm
just
short anyways. It
when we
don't matter.
look
But I'm just
back.
saying.
Let's just use the bottom of this last wick here. That's about the best stop I can find. That low is 70,
There you go.
50, so 70, 75. That's about the best I can see right now as a stop. We just missed our. It's going to turn and go
Yeah.
long. If it doesn't turn and go long, yay, hallelujah to us.
Yeah. If it doesn't go long here, we're in a good trade.
We're in a really good trade.
Really good trade.
If it doesn't take our stop, this thing's gone off to the right. It's got to stop.
Yep.
All right, that's it for cash for me.
So long.
That's it for cash for me. This morning at least. I'll be happy with that. All right, grab this trade here. And that was a long setup too on the ES there. Nice little long
Hmm.
setup too. Same from the same area the morning long came from.
I still think this thing's gonna break down. It's looking NQ's about to go.
The RTY short was pretty pretty nifty there, buddy. Thank you. Yeah,
If you had to,
I would have liked to gotten this NQ here on the short side. That would have been a
NQ's
beautiful.
about to go.
You said NQ.
Yeah, it's trying to break it. If
Well,
it
this
could
is
just
a
hold
level
below,
I gave. I have two levels here. This is one of them.
right? If it can hold below this, it's just not breaking below it. It's just wicking and coming back up. If it could stay below it, it's gonna go. We'll see.
We did too many
I mean,
bear flag trades, bull and bear flag trades this week. I'm gonna hold off on the bull and bear flag trades today,
yeah,
considering that my thought process is that we're inside range acting day with some, we're probably gonna end up with some erratic price action. But if it does go below there, we are in business. ES setting up for a long again from this area down here. Ah, the stupid
yeah,
NQ short, man. Wish I would have gotten that. Now I gotta move on
yeah.
this.
You could have
This
again. I
two.
told you it was gonna break right here. You could have took the break. It, it was too obvious it was gonna break that. Now, got to be careful now. But let's see. Where can it come to? Where's that other level? Where'd you say 50?
Yeah, I can't. ES is still setting up
Or
for a buy, but there's not
550?
gonna be a buy here. We'll wait.
Yeah,
Yeah,
we
that
just
stupid
chill.
NQ
We're
short,
good. We're
man.
good. We're good. We're
That
good.
would have been a game over short for the NQ.
You could have took it at the break of the Globex. It was fighting it all morning. I said as soon as it breaks, it's gonna
The
go,
short was
and it
for the
did.
ES short.
It was at the top, yeah, but you still could have got it down here and been okay.
I was not on top of that one. That was a trade though. Maybe somebody out there in the internet's world got it. Maybe
Oh crap! What's gold doing?
three good shorts this morning.
Okay, gold's finally broke down now. Let's
All right, got out
maybe
of
a
that
long,
range.
maybe a long.
Yeah,
Yeah, as I said, it
set up
finally
for
broke out of that
a
range.
long on that one. Get this 6E up a little bit higher, then I'll look for the short on that too.
There goes that freaking NQ, man.
So our long on the ES got to come from now down anywhere between 57 to what we say 50, right? So keep our
Yeah,
eyes open for
50.
that.
I got 540, but 550 is fine.
That means the NQ's got to go a little bit lower. I don't get fooled by a long signal here in the middle of nowhere. I'm just not interested in ES right now. I mean, it is a long signal setting up, but I think it's got to go lower. There's
Oh
my
yeah, no, I'm
pretty
definitely.
girl.
It's got to come down.
There's my pretty girl.
He's there.
A little bit lower. I'm not getting fooled by that ES long signal right there. It is a long signal again. That is a long signal, but let's not get
Damn man,
fooled.
I want to get missing this run.
What'd you say?
So we're missing this run on NQ.
Okay, FOMO into it. I'm not going to.
No, I'm not FOMOing. I'm
Do it.
just
No, do
complaining
it.
about
Press the
missing
button.
it.
You're
Oh
fine.
wait,
Trust me. Press the button.
wait. Are we getting a buy signal on gold? Buy signal on gold?
It's too big. I was looking at it and I'm like, it is a buy signal. It's just too big for me. I mean, we got to be up here or even up here to buy it. I want it to be a clean. I told you exactly what I want. I want that. I want that little tiny wiki, the little wiki. If it's not the wiki, I'm not gonna take you wiki. That was a long
Wiki
signal, but
wiki.
again, I need the price to be just a little bit lower. That's a long signal. I mean, if you really want to buy it, we could put a buy stop around above this wick, and then you'd have to be above on the NQ. You'd have to be above here, but this thing's going lower. That's a high of 54.50. Now, yeah, see, it's going lower. And again, we got
At this point, it needs to come down to 550-ish area
yeah,
before I even
that's what I'm
consider.
saying. I need
Yeah,
to go.
I'm not.
I need to
I'm
go
not
lower.
entertaining it. That's pure FOMO at this point. If I get to do anything.
Now we're getting there. Okay, now we're getting
Goodness,
there. Now we're getting where we want to be. Let's see if this sets up right. Getting down here. Huge. All right, slowing
Huge.
down. Oh, it was slowing down. There we go. We wicked right into it. Slowing down. Give me a candle that stays there. We could look at a buy above this wick here, I guess.
Yeah, my NQ. Oh yes, you're looking at ES.
Yeah, I could look at a buy stop above that wick. Yep, there you go.
That was quick.
Then I'm gonna put the buy stop in above this wick on the NQ here, because if that goes, it's gonna go and give me some money.
Damn it, man! I missed all of them. Both of them.
I don't know how far it's gonna go, but if it goes, it's going. If it goes, it's going. Let's see what can I target here on the ES. I think if we look at this objectively, you, if it pushes back through this uh, like pre post open low here, we've got room to run. If it doesn't push through that, then I'm not going to get filled on the NQ, which is fine. I'll go to break even on the ES here just to lock in that stuff. If we can get past this, I don't. It doesn't look like it's going to happen, but does it?
Mm-mm. This is too strong to the downside. The force is strong with this one.
We'll see. I don't know. I think it looks like it's trying to break it, doesn't it? All right, there we go. We're in the NQ. Let's see if it goes and gets it. Oh no, I have the wrong. What are you freaking doing? What? Okay, well get my target. I have the
One
wrong.
target? Seriously?
Go get my target. Go get it.
Come on. Oh, you're
Get it.
kidding
I gotta get
me.
out of this.
I'm
I
done on
can't
this
take
one.
this. I'm gonna do a
It
stop right
one
above
ticked my
$6.51.
target and came back and took me for a loss.
I
Holy
can't
shit.
take that. Oh, that
That
was a
just
big
pisses me
painful one.
off.
Oh well, that counts
That
down for the
pisses
day.
me off.
It one tick my target too. One tick my
One
target,
ticked my
and it's
fucking
still gonna
target.
go. This is. Oh well. Getting out of that
That
one.
is a short.
That's done for the day. No
All
more
right.
view. No more view.
All right, let's move on to the next one. That's a done for the day. Lost
Yep.
count on that one.
Yep. That's why I get my. That's why I do my cash on the easy trades.
Moving on, mother.
All right, here we go. I kind of have to get back in this.
Nah, I mean, damn it, man. And it worked out. Look at it. What's the ATR? It must be high. It is. That's what it is. Yep, can't trade them with these. I got to open my stops up a little bit. All right. Let it go. Let's move on. Next one. Next.
Yeah, that was a painful one. All right, another tick up on the stop. Flat on that. All right, that was a decent little one. One tick my stop. Stop management. I mean, you definitely would have gotten your target.
It went to one. It came right up to my target.
One
Didn't
tick
take it.
came back, and I got spooked.
And came
My
back and took
stop
me
was
out for a
bad.
loss.
That's my fault. If I managed my stop appropriately and had it behind this wick, then never take my stop.
That should have been a break even trade for me. Should have got my first target and then break
That's
even.
what I'm saying. Is it should have been. So
Oh well.
that's a oh well. Gotta move on to the next account. Good thought. Good trade. Poor stop management. The shorts though. Can't miss those again. I'm not gonna miss those next time. All right. GC's trying to set up here with a nice little buy stop here. Trying to set up from a level I like too. I think. Oh, definitely a level I like.
All right, let's do it.
I'm a little too loose on my buy stop. Alright, let's see here. I'll try to get a little target early on this. I'm going to take that quick because I got bit on the other one a minute ago. Got that target off. Now I'm in a lower risk trade. See if this thing can run for me a little bit. Tick or two up on the stop.
Come on.
And go on, GC. Do your
No,
thing.
fuck it. I'm not
Do
gonna.
your thing, GC. Do your thing. Euro's up, getting up here where I want to look at the short for the euro. Go on, GC. Do your thing like I asked you to. Be a nice little GC. Be a nice little GC and go north. You're supposed to go long, not short on me. I guess we can go right behind this candle that's formed right here as our stop, because if it goes lower than that, it's going to come right back out in the range, isn't it?
Doesn't look like it's getting any momentum to the top. Let's see what happens.
I lightened up on it, so I got that target quick so I could be a little more relaxed on it. I'm going to go behind this candle since this formed too, this other candle formed too. They're trying to push it up, so if they take it out now, then there's not much we can do about that.
Oh, we're okay. There we go. Now I got my first target off. I'm good.
We're good. GC good.
I'm good now.
GC
I'm
good.
good now.
Now we could probably target the bottom of the range on GC. That'd be a beautiful little trade right there, wouldn't it?
Yeah, that'd be awesome. I'm gonna leave it right here and let it run.
You were born to run, GC. You were born to run. All right. Other than just the one miss on the NQ short, I think we did pretty good, huh?
Yeah. Other than that
I
NQ.
mean, obviously with that one, I feel like we get this. At least a golf clap. And this is for the mismanagement of the stop on the NQ.
Womp womp. Womp womp.
Mismanagement of the stop on the NQ. We'd gotten our targets if we would have managed that stop right. Miss short, miss. There it is. That's it right there. Mismanagement of the. All right. There's a wick right here on GC in the
Ooh,
middle
big
here.
dollar.
I'm gonna go just a tick behind that wick.
I'm going to break
wick.
even. Well,
What'd you say?
I'm one tick behind my entry. So
There's
heck, I'm at break even.
All right, whatever. We'll
I'm gonna let it go. See if we can get up to the top of that.
I like my target. My target should be about $1,000, shouldn't it? Something close to it.
431. My target's at. I think I'm at 435. So I'm a little bit higher than you are. So we'll see.
I mean, realistically, you could have a stop below here. That low is 21.1 because it's above that. If you really need to be tighter on your stop, you don't let it come back down. We'll see. It should continue up there. Everything says it's going up. Little double bottom here on the NQ. Not quite in our rules for the ES, so now I'm getting interested in the 6E though, but with the markets driving down like this, RTY, may have missed that one. Maybe not. You could do it here. Oh, that's the account that I don't want to trade it on there. Oh, it is the account I want to trade it on. It's a short. I just missed it. Second chance. Any takers on the RTY short? There's your second chance right there. Let's see. You got one more can. Yeah, that. I just need to be in it. It's gonna go. RTY's going.
Coming
Going,
down.
going, gone.
As
There you go,
long as,
gold.
long as I was gonna say, as long as gold keeps going, I don't care what happens.
I'm gonna tick or
That's
two up
money, money,
now
money.
since we got new candles.
Yeah. Where's your stop at?
I'm
40,
sitting
20,
here at
20.
flat, almost 20,
Yeah.
20.8.
It's coming back. Look, I might come back and grab us here.
Whatever.
All right.
All right.
Trade. Good
That
trade.
was all right. That was all right. That was just all right. What's that Kenny song?
What is it?
We're all a little crazy, but we're doing all right. The Kenny Chesney song. I think of it.
Oh.
Well, we're gonna miss some trades. The only thing that irks me is that NQ short.
Yeah, well, we can't
I'm not
catch them
upset
all.
about the. I mean, I'm kicking myself for the mismanagement of the stop. Right? Should have had a stop behind this wick right here as soon as it formed, and I went up behind this candle like a novice little baby. I was like, oh, I'm scared. I want to take $1,000 loss.
It shot up to my first target twice and didn't take it, and then reversed. I was like, oh man. If it just got that first target, it would have been break
Just
even.
been outside. I'm gonna start referencing Bull Durham.
Just a bit outside.
Back in the days when the announcers could be pissed drunk announcing games. Like every one of them had a competition. Which one can get drunker first before the game starts?
Life was so much more fun when we have all this correctness.
When Mel Brooks could make movies without people getting upset.
Yep. Oh my God, some of those movies today. Holy
I'm starting to
cow.
like this RTY short a little bit more here. I think I'm gonna take a shot on that one.
Where?
Right here. This short below this mid wick here. I'm a tick too tight though. There we go. Just a big structure up there. I'm gonna take a set risk on it, but it should take off. And then I'm gonna just use this prior swing high, I guess, as my stop here. But it should go down and get my targets now. It's been pushing for a hot minute for that short, so this should be a decent short set up here. Considering that everything else is dropping like a like hot
That damn gold
toasted
come take our
pancake.
stop and then keep going.
Yeah, I know. Well, again, stop management. Well, you'd think under this ledge it would
Eh,
tick down into it, right?
yeah.
So this should have been a good stop, and it just ticked right into it, right?
Just
So
took our money.
not a
It's out
lot we
to,
can do
it's
about that
hunting
one.
us today.
That's a we knew where your stop was. Screw you, trade. That's what that is on gold. We know where your
That's
stop is. We're gonna take
like
it.
get Paul and Brian out of that
We're gonna take your
trade.
stop.
We're gonna
You
take
actually
your
know where to
damn
put
stop.
stops? Okay, we're gonna tick down just below that and take your stop.
Oh, you think you know what you're doing? Let me show you.
It
You
was
don't.
one tick too, buddy. Look at that.
Woo! Look at that thing go.
Whoa.
Dumpers.
Get my
Holy smokes!
RTY target out of there,
What
dude.
the hell are you
What's going on
saying, Trump?
here?
There's my level down here.
Holy
Too damn
cow.
quick.
Do I
Can't
want
take
my
that.
target taken on RTY this time, or do I push it out of the way? Holy mackerels.
Oh shit! What?
Holy smackerels. Do
What?
we take this
What?
long from this second level we were talking about now that we got to
I
push
don't
down?
know.
Because
I got
that
a
looks.
bunch of
Huh?
I got some lag. I can't trade it. Oh, there we go. It's back.
I'm good.
Well, this is our level here.
It is the level. Do we take the long? Because that.
Well,
I
that's a
mean,
scary thought.
I mean, you could easily just put a buy stop in here. If it goes lower, then no. If not, I'll put the buy stop in. And then we'll go a couple ticks lower on my RTY stop. Did you get the RTY?
I did not get an RTY, no.
I'm just kidding.
Here's your buy, I think, coming up.
Like Nelson from Simpsons. This is
NQ.
really somewhere down here should be the target on this RTY. Right down here at this level I was looking at.
Buy NQ.
That's aggressive on the target. I got my target earlier. One more tick on the RTY
Come on,
stop.
go, baby.
Now we don't have a perfect setup either, do we? So do we still
No.
look for the long after this crap?
I think it wants to go, though.
Long?
Yeah.
I still can't buy it unless it's above this wick. Okay. I mean, if you if you if you're there,
Got to be above that one wick, right? What is this?
well, I mean,
560,
try to get it at the
566.
market. If
That's just moving so fast to get it at
above
the market.
S2, it seems like this would be a trade on the ES here. It just looks so freaking heavy, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm. That moment, yeah.
Another couple of ticks on the RTY stop. It may come get me, but oh
But it's
well.
holding the support. I got a 540 support, and it's holding it. I mean, it's bouncing right all over it. I
Well,
think
that's
if
what
it
we talked
breaks
about this
above it,
morning, right?
yeah. I think if it breaks above it, it's a long. It's hard to say that in this market, but
Is that a risk I want to take?
566.50.
Is that a risk that I want to take? Look at this. All right. Yeah.
66.50 looks like a number to me.
I think I'm gonna pass on this, Paul.
Okay, that's fair.
I know it's gonna be a trade. It's gonna work out on the long side.
I mean, it
Huh?
could fail though. I mean, it's
there's too much. It's
yeah,
not
it's a
perfect.
lot of
It's not a
strength
good
here.
setup.
So
The short. I'm not gonna be silly because I didn't get the short on the NQ
right,
that I wanted
that's
earlier.
smart. I mean,
I wanted the short really bad, and that would have been game over short for me. And I'm not gonna be a silly willy and try to do this when it's not setting up right. Silly willy goose. You silly goose. Let's see.
if it does go,
And that was the one I took my loss on that I have CL on, so I got to get out of that. Move that to a different account. Oh, I got my poor stop. Poor me. My original target on RTY would have hit again, too. To the T. I would hit that target twice. I mean, it is a long setting up.
I mean, it sure does look like it wants to go. We'll see.
Again, I'm gonna pass on this. This it's just not.
I am freaking. I got in it originally, so I got my target off,
What you do?
and
ES or
this is
NQ?
no NQ.
I don't like the price action. Nicely green. I'm actually gonna trade that account that we took that stop on again because I got plenty of wiggle room in it. but I'm gonna only take it with a perfect trade. It's an eval, so I'm not that worried about it.
There it goes, baby.
Yeah, you got it. I'm not gonna get
See
into
ya.
it. I'm not doing it. You can stay long in this.
I mean, it just looked like it was. I mean,
What was my
yeah.
first RTY short?
I
Was
don't.
it
I got
9:15?
targets off, so it's no big deal at this point. It runs. It runs. If he runs, he runs. Whoa.
About 9:30. On about time right now.
Amend. What does that mean? Amend.
This one we did at 8, so about 58 minutes. What time we get that GC long?
Are you long?
No, what
Are you
time we get
thinking?
it? When we get that ES short?
Oh, jeez. Was it 9:40? I don't remember where that was. Hold on, I'm
We're at
updating my charts here.
9:36 exactly, so
Nine.
about 30. It's 9:36, and we're an hour and 9 minutes. 9:35, and we're at 45 minutes in. We get that. Shit. I mean, if people don't like these, like, people can't see that shit. I don't even know what to say. Those trades were great.
I mean, other than that NQ trade, if you
Other
everything
than
else could be
the miss on
pretty
the NQ
nicely green.
short and the mismanagement on the stop, that's about it. Oh,
NQ's
CL,
gonna.
you're gonna give me a good trade here in a minute, aren't you? Keep my eye open. Yeah, if people can't follow those trades, I don't know what to say. That's
I'm gonna have to step away and help my dad.
what? Nurse Paul duties?
Yeah, I'm just trying to wait for the right time, but he's wanting to leave, so it's his birthday today. He's 90,
Oh,
90 years old today.
oh wow. Look at that man. That dude is
Yeah,
like that was a hard TL long to take, but that was
yeah.
That's I want it maybe a little bit lower. Step away. I'm good. I'm only going to take an A plus trade from here on this morning, so
Yeah, I just don't want to miss anything. But yeah, I'll be going for a few.
I'll yell at you. I'd like to see this back around 60. Yeah. There's a tinier level back down here on CL around like 61, something around here. A lot of contracts gathering right around that area right there. Lots of them. Right here. And get a few ticks lower on CL, and then I'll look for another look for a long. Well, couldn't take the GC long. It didn't set up the way I wanted it to. No wikis.
Yeah,
In the middle
told you
of
that sucker was gonna go
prospects is
up.
crazy. Man, I would just go do your nurse Paul duties right now. This isn't
Yeah,
nuts.
this thing's volatile.
We've
Now,
had enough fun this morning.
yeah, now would be a good time to probably walk
Now would be a
away.
good time not to trade.
Yeah. All right, I'll be
I
back in a
don't
little
think
bit.
you're going to get a perfect setup in the next 30 minutes now.
No, well, the NQ was long. I knew that thing was going to break
Yeah,
up. It just
I mean, yeah, but that's
it.
hard as hell to get in and stay
Yeah,
in.
I mean, I took it and got
It's
first target, and
hard
then
as
it came back,
hell.
got me, and then took off. So, story of my life.
That is
CL GC
extremely.
would have worked,
Hey,
but again,
good. I'm gonna talk to these guys since you're gonna be gone. How about that,
okay. Oh crap!
guys? Post your
All
winning
right.
trades. Hey, nice job. Oh, we got a couple people in this morning. Yeti trades. Everybody, post your winning trades. That's what it's there for. Let everybody see. Show them that you know what you're doing. You guys can see live every day that I know what I'm doing. Jeff,
Would if I knew
Jeff,
what I was doing.
is this the Jeff I'm supposed to be looking at? Is that my old friend Jeff? If it is, I need to know. Let me look at my text. Maybe somebody.
I'll be back.
Okay, he can't even hear me now. Post your trades, guys. I know some of you guys got some winning trades. Let me know. Those are easy trades. The ES short, the two RTY shorts, GC long, NQ long made it. Got the NQ short. Somebody at least got the NQ short, and then the NQ long that was called back here. All good trades. I would be tempted to look at a short up here, to be honest with you. You could tempt me with that good time, possibly. If this sets up perfect, again, A plus, perfect, and it's trying to do it on the ES, especially if this thing comes with a wick here, I'd be really comfortable with that one on the ES. Um, you know what? I think I'll try to catch both. I'll put sell stuff in here. I just don't like the stochastics say that this is going to keep going up now, too. Yep, laying off that one. That was a hard long to get in and stay in. This long down here, either NQES. CL didn't give me the long I wanted to see. Huh. Yeah, not the perfect setup there on the ES. I mean, it was a decent setup there. And Q starting the setup with a decent setup. Right at the 89 on the bigger tick chart. Now you got a little ledge on the ES here. This could be a good sell spot. The only thought process is this was to run down for the, actually it does look pretty good. It does look pretty good, doesn't it? Missed that on the ES, but you'd have your target off, I think, at least right now. Still a decent sell signal. This should be where they wanted, with what they'd want to push it down from. Especially here on the NQ. There you go. You had a second chance on the ES there to get targets and do stuff. You could literally just put a sell stop here on the NQ if you really want to be in that. I'm not going to do this stuff. This is not me. And you could, again, do the sell stop here on the ES if you really want to do it. I'm just not going to do it. I'm going to sit here and do what I told Paul I was going to do. Wait for the A plus trade. You could have made a point that this looked like an A plus on the NQ here. RTY, another short there. That was a money one. Just wasn't looking at it. Now you might see a GC set up here nicely if I can get another wick. I actually would look at that short if I got another wick there. Or do we just sit on the sidelines for a little bit since we've had a good morning? Maybe sit on the sidelines for a little bit since we had a good morning. Now it's created a nice little shelf here, but I think we're up. We're gonna be up right now. So taking there, sweet time, connecting my accounts and Ninja. Oh man, really? Sorry, Gray. Guys, post your winning trades. Seriously, while I'm sitting here doing nothing, post your winning trades. Good job, guys. Good job, good job, good job. Post your winning trades. That's a good stuff. Even a screenshot while you're in the trade is good. I don't have to screenshot my trades because you see them. You see them all. You see my trades. like I said, there's definitely a shelf here, and that was on the ES as well. If it can't stay down now, this turns into a bigger buy signal. I just don't. I'm not gonna touch this. I'll trade it with your account. Somebody give me their account. I'll trade it with it. Trade your account with it. Now we might be able to see a CL short from here. I'd like if it would be a little bit higher. That GC just tricked us. We got that long out of nowhere. Not really out of nowhere. Still can't touch 60 yet. I'm tempted to look at the CL short. Really tempted. And it's a decent little area. I want it to be, no, it's not A plus, but by golly, it's not horrible either. Got a nice little downtrend. By golly, well, by golly, 54, 54, 54. It's just not A plus. So like I said, I'm gonna stick to my guns. No A plus trade, no tradey. No A plus trade, no trade. No A plus trade, no trade. It's a mantra. No A plus trade, no trade. No A plus trade, no trade. No A plus trade, no trade. Knew there was a short coming out of this, just didn't know where to get it. I did know where to get it, I just didn't want to take that big of a risk, and it wasn't A plus, so I'm not gonna do it. Can't do those. Just not gonna do those things. Silly. Who's Test? Who's this Test person that's showing up in the? Nothing to do except for be silly here now. Alright. Some fun was done. Fun was done. Maybe I should have taken a break too. Yeah, there was no way to get in at CL long. I mean, you could have said that this was a buy stop, but or your buy above that one candle. That just wasn't. Same thing on the GC. Maybe you could have made a point for the two candles stopping exactly here at the pivot. Maybe you could have made a point on GC. But that's about all I got there. I mean, if you got the kahunas, there's a GC short here. Below this, that's just not not A plus for me. It is definitely a GC short though. If you have maybe an account you're willing to try to burn or something. Try to get, let's see, what's this low here? Because if it turns around, that's going to probably run down. Let's see, low 26.61. So, I mean, if you got an account you're willing to burn, maybe you try the sell stop there on the GC. Technically, ES is setting it for a long signal, still not A+, so I'm not doing it. Either yeah. I mean, if you got an account you want to take a risk on, that's a GC short. We had some good A+ setups. Man, this kicks me. I'm kicking myself on this NQ short this morning. That was my one trade. The one miss. I'd say that's pretty good batting average, though. I think that's pretty good batting average for the morning. One miss trade. What do they call it in baseball now? Frozen pizza? When you don't swing at a perfect strike? Frozen pizza. It's on. Frozen pizza. ES is working down. Again, NQ's really calling out here for a break of this little range, which the ES is trying to break down to. So if you got a big stuff that you can risk, your sales down here at this ATR dot probably going to run for you if you do it. So you'd be in now. And there's your targets and everything, ladies and gentlemen. That was it. Not A+, I didn't do it, but maybe somebody got that trade and got in the money. In the money. Maybe somebody did it. Maybe somebody did it. Let's see here. 15? Just went an A+ for me, and I'm 2 green every morning. I'm pretty green. I got one account I'd like to get a little bit more green. Yeah, that one there. So let me put my ES on that one. Oh, it's already there. Okay, want that one a little more green, and been doing well with. I'm gonna get this CL trade. I think that's already on the account I want it on. It is. There you go. Runner, chicken runner for you guys. Anybody that wanted, anybody that took that trade. Runner, chicken runner. What more do you want from me? What more do you want from me? Winning trades. Good job, people. Way to go on the winning trade side. I think maybe
All right. Did I miss anything? Any big
Um,
trades?
I called this short on the NQ and ES, but I didn't take it because it
Nice.
was an A plus. Too much junk up here. I'm assuming somebody got it there. I was trying to help other people while you're gone.
Yeah, trying to get him squared off. He's taking off for his birthday.
Huh?
He wants to go down to the island. I told him you can't go. Can't be gone that long.
Oh, oh. Because he wants to go hang out. It's like having another kid now, huh?
Oh, dude, it's like having a freaking kid and one that doesn't want to stop. He's always gone. Guess if I was that age in that kind of shape, why not?
Yeah, I mean, I gotta. Yeah, if I was 90 and I was running around the way he is, driving, all that good stuff,
Dude, driving, working.
working,
Man was in
lawyering,
court. Man was in court yesterday. It's like
lawyering at 90
day
years
before his
old.
birthday at 90.
Are
It's
you
like
kidding me?
crazy.
That's awesome.
I know.
That gives me hopes.
It does. I was like,
I had aspirations to
um,
live to be like 250 years old. Now I believe I can.
yeah, you should be at least should be able to get to 120.
Dude, with peptides and everything. Oh, that CL short.
CL. Oh,
Oh,
it's
do I
setting up,
chase
isn't
it?
it?
That was what I wanted. The wiki. Back up and give me a here. Let me put a sell limit.
Where though? At
Yeah, so maybe
right
a
there?
back up and push down. Yeah, it got me in now at the price I wanted to be in.
Yeah, I'm in too.
Back it up,
Let's see what
back it
happens.
in. Yeah, this get if the next channel starts down in 10 ticks, we're good to go. I need to change this ATM to take like a target like there to lighten up a little bit. I got to change that a little bit.
Yeah, it's kind of a big first target, isn't it?
Yeah, I never did change. You know what? It was the original. It was one of my original. Let me just do this. CL. It was like one of my original thoughts about that. It should probably be really at 5, like we originally like it said originally do it at 5. Save template. CL save. Yes. Okay. All right. This candle needs to go down. You got to go down, candle, or I don't like you as a trade anymore. But I mean, that's a good setup. Those wicks on top, 2 candles. I mean, did everything we said it needed to do. Now we got again not an A plus setup, but it's a long setup happening on the ES. And I said I wasn't going to take anything but A plus setups this morning, the rest of the morning. And I would consider this an A plus setup on CL. By the way, there's nothing about that setup that says it should not be an A plus setup.
I mean, the entry is right where it should have been.
I mean,
So
an A plus
see what
setup
happens.
from a zone, from a level. I mean, that's about everything you could ask for on that one, huh? I mean, that is
Getting
a
a short
level
on
too.
NQ.
I know. Actually, the level's really. Right, yeah, I mean, somewhere in this area is a level. That's a that's a decent little level. So stops behind it. You said what on the NQ?
Looks like it's getting a short on NQ.
Well, it's got the long setup happening, but it's probably is going to short.
Yeah.
All right, CL, don't screw with me. Don't screw with me, CL.
Yeah, I'm not super pumped about this CL.
Well, it's again big tick chart said take the trade.
NQ's a short. Target off.
Hey, look at that target on CL. Told you,
And
big tick
target on
chart.
NQ.
What'd you say?
Target on NQ too. That was a short for me. I pulled back up in there and gave me a nice
You're
little.
braver than I am.
Yeah, but it's just if you see the momentum on this and this tick strike,
I'm gonna
this
do
thing's
one more target
got.
sooner so I can be lighter on this CL and let it run for me.
Yeah, I got to work on that CL ATM too. Or let me know what you end up come up with because that first target was way too
5. I
far.
moved it to 5.
Yeah, I took one target.
I moved it to 5, and I got my other target sitting here. Now it's got it. Now I'm down to 1 contract, and I got nothing to worry about on the CL. We're good to go. Good to go. Go all the way back down. All the way down. Go all the way down. RTY set out for a long from a level. Ooh, ooh, that's scary.
TY is
Scale short.
where's your long on RTY coming up?
Do we take it? Do I take it? Do I want to take that? Do I want to take that? That's gonna be a winning trade too.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to try that, I think.
Do it.
That's a small risk.
Do it.
It's a small risk.
Do it. You're in. I'm just gonna let her sit here and revel in my CL short. Oh no! Whoa, 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 whoa,
That doesn't
whoa,
sound like reveling to me. Targets
whoa.
off on
Oh my god.
I
I
was gonna say
accidentally
that
hit.
doesn't
I was
sound.
trying to expand the chart and I accidentally hit the sell market button and I added 3 more contracts like a retard.
Oh, now you're really believing in that CL.
It's fine. I mean, I'm still in profit technically.
You really got faith in that sucker now.
Oh, that was so silly. That
There you
was
go.
dumb.
Target off on
I
RTY
just got
if
to go
anybody
lower to
took it.
make me look good.
Yeah,
There you go. Target's off on your RTY trade.
I did. I did.
Good.
Run
Good,
to
good, good, good. Yeah, I could have grabbed that. Oof, that was scary for a second. Look, the sell button was right below the maximize my chart button. All right, the sell
That's
market,
true. It is right there.
and then it put my average fill price down here, and that's not really a true average fill price. This is still a good stop for me. Good RTY. There you go, man.
Uh-huh.
Should have taken that with you. Should have taken that with you. Would you? I'll get the next one.
Oh, gray.
Oh
Knox is
shoot!
not
Now there was a
connecting.
much better GC long right there. Still
I'm
not.
just watching this RTY
Not
go and
worth it.
this CL just kind of stagger right here.
Shh.
Here
Shh.
needs to go.
I screwed that up a little bit, but that'll be all right. Well, maybe it's not gonna be all right. I mean, again, it's a profitable trade no matter what, even though this says negative. It should be a profitable trade no matter what. Yeah. See, I was at $100 and something. Now I'm at 200 something. Good long on the RTY. I like big tick charts, and I cannot lie. Should take that. I should take the RTY with you. Looking back, that is an A plus trade.
But I clean setup.
Really
I'm
super clean, super
and
super
I
clean
and I'm on
setup.
an 800 tick versus your 500, and it's clean on an 800. So I figured the 500 is probably even better entry wise. So I'm no complaints.
I just the only thing I don't like about that higher tick on the RTY is I would not have taken that 930 short. I would have definitely taken the still would have taken that short back here. And you're right. Maybe we do some middle ground here, 600 T. Probably should have increased the ticks on the ES this morning.
Increase the ticks. Yeah. Well,
Because the volume was a little bit higher earlier. It's fine now.
yeah. What we should have done was
That
increased our
GC
stops.
long, man. That was one that I was looking for right there. Some wikis. Got my wikis in.
Getting wiki with it.
Got my wikis. Got my wikis.
Oh, I need some coffee.
Oh shoot. I forgot to do something. I gotta go. I'll be right back.
No problem. We will be here with bells on. Great. Did you get Buell Knox hooked? Did it ever connect? Sounds crazy, but restart your Ninja. Sometimes when Buell Knox does that, so it's just delayed. It's just not connecting to your rhythmic's not connecting to Ninja. Is that the problem? I'm assuming this is a dumb question, but I'm assuming you haven't changed anything. Oh, wow, this thing is dumping all of a sudden, isn't it? Yeah, oh, that's weird. It's doing that. This thing's just dumping. Well, anybody short? Wish I was. NQES. What we got? GC, nothing.
Did you hear me?
What's that?
Nice call on the NQ short.
I didn't call that. I wish I did.
You
I
said
did not.
earlier, didn't you?
Did I? I
Yeah.
may have said it under my breath. I didn't take it. I'm just mad that I didn't. I think I said NQ is short, but I didn't say it was an entry. Ooh, was it short? Oh well. Oh well.
Deep subject for a shallow mind.
Yep. Absolutely deep subject for shallow mind. Nothing we can do now.
Nope. Nope. Well, I did call the short
Bad,
out of this junk on the top here, the NQ, but
bad boy is gone. Oof. It was a pullback somewhere. A little retrace up here. Something. And where's it going?
Okay. That just happens sometimes.
What's that? They go without you?
Yeah. Bye. I've missed a train before. You know what happens? Magically out of nowhere, where another train appears at some
I
point.
was gonna say you just catch the next one.
Magically out of
That's what happens.
nowhere, another train appears, and I don't know how it works. It was like that video. I was watching this video of of a little skit of this like couple that just got together, and the girl comes in and starts bitching at the guy for how dirty the house is or whatever. He was like, "Listen, I've got a trick I'm gonna show you." And he goes in the laundry room. He goes to the edge of the laundry room. You see this basket here? It's crazy. Every time I put stuff in it, the next day
Comes back clean.
it's on my bed, folded and clean. And she's like, "You gotta be kidding me." He was like, "No, I'm not kidding. I'm not kidding you. I got another one too. If I leave dishes on the coffee table, when I wake up the next morning, they're gone in the sink clean. Ever since we moved in this apartment." So there you go. Big tick chart says take a long,
Okay.
but it's below our level. It's below our support levels that we made for the day.
So I'd much rather see it go up and then let me take a short.
Yeah. That's well, we did say that the only situation I would bear flag would have been, I don't know if that happened on lower tick chart, would have been I guess the real miss here was the rally on the ES when I stepped away for a second there, huh? You could have shorted that with the
Yeah.
NQ.
Could have. You both could have short them both. I said if you're not short on one of these two, you're wrong.
How did that? I just wasn't here for that trade, but that was the trade on the ES. You didn't see that? I wasn't looking.
I
I
did
wasn't
not
here.
see
I
it.
was out.
I didn't see it.
Had to go take care of
I
something.
honestly didn't see it.
I think I'm finally through my distractions for the rest of the week. Oh man, that crap had me distracted. Got it dealt with, so we're done. Great enough. I sent 2 tickets still waiting. Those are correct. Take this one. That's. Oh, there it is. Okay. Lower tick chart short signal setting up here. You want to take a short? Take a look at that.
On the what? ES or
ES and NQ. Smaller tick chart short setting up.
yeah, that might not be a bad little.
I don't think it would be horrible, do you? Put a sell
Uh,
stop in like right there. Low risk. Let's wait a second. I think that should be a short. Smaller tick chart says yes. Bigger tick chart says no just yet. But actually, no. You know what? I'm gonna switch to an account that I have some wiggle room on this. I'm gonna try that on the short
no,
side here.
target off on NQ.
Huh?
I
Huh?
took the NQ short.
I think I'm gonna stick to what I said. Let the big tick chart give me the entry.
Well, you just got through talking me into it, and you're not gonna take it with me.
Well, you got your target off, man.
Yeah, I got my target off, and it just spiked up and took me out.
We might get my CL long here in a second. We are getting my CL long, aren't we? 17 ticks. I can put a buy stop there. I'm I'm okay with that. Probably a little too loose, but what'd you do that for? Now it is set up right. If that goes now on CL, should have a decent little long trade on our hands. And I can move my stop up a little bit. Target's a little bit better, but I still think I want to be like a couple ticks lower on my target. So I probably need to do like 4 instead of 5. First target. Target. Nice. Nice.
Nice.
Well, double bottom there on the GC, but out there. Getting there on the ES now. Now I can look at this as a short. Still have to use the same entry, but it's still a short.
I'll say.
That should
I missed it.
almost immediately
I
run and get my
missed it.
target.
I missed it. I didn't get
almost
in.
immediately run down and get my target, I would think.
I hesitated a second. That was all it took.
Well, it overbought. Wicks on the top. Go get my other target there. Come on, go get it. You can do it, CL. I'm just going to take this target real quick so I'm only on one contract. I'll go down and get my target, ES. Go on. You can do it. Go get the target. Be a good little ES. Be a good little ES. Ooh, this GCL is like mad good. There we go. There we go. And that was one. Yeah, short. I don't know how long that's gonna last. I come back and get my stop. Oh well. No harm, no foul on that one. No harm, no foul. CL, CL, you're my hero, CL. Let's go a couple more ticks up on the stop here. Figure out a target on this, buddy. I mean, I think I can target a little bit higher than that. There just seems to be. Are they still buying this garbage on the CL? Like, this is. There's no more oil ever in the history of the planet.
Well, we
Trump
got
took it
plenty of
all.
it now.
Trump took it
Trump's
all,
got
so
it
it's got
all.
to go up.
He's hiding it all in Mar-a-Lago.
Trump took all the oil, so it's a precious commodity again.
That's okay. Just go electric. That'll work.
Yeah, just go electric. Especially if you're in a country like that's very desertous and a very desert climate with no power grid, go electric.
Go electric. We can
That's
solve
the
all the
way.
world's problems by going electric.
I love the way some people think like that. They're like, no, everything should be electric. Okay, what if you don't have power grid? Well, uh, uh, yeah, you're not in Abu Dhabi, dumbass. I don't know why I just said that. Couple more ticks up on the stop on the CL.
Wow. Okay.
What? Me being too offensive?
No.
I was like, I can't offend you. I know that.
No, you ain't bothering me in a bit. I'm sure
If I
somebody's
offended
getting
somebody
offended,
else.
though. Somebody's
I feel bad for
sensibilities
you
were.
for letting my words offend you. To take that from Mr. Yeti Trades.
Safe space, Buttercup. Safe space.
Would you say safe space?
This is my safe space. I don't know. I'm weird. I like get offended. I like getting offended.
What?
I said I'm weird. I like getting offended.
Oh yeah, yeah. That's
You
where
can say
me and
all
you
the
are cut from
shit
the
you
same
want about
cloth.
me. You can't hurt my feelings. I don't have any
You
feelings.
you know how I am. You know there's like almost nothing that can hurt my damn feelings. I t- I'm gonna tell you a story about uh like day two of here. Do this. That's a good story. It's kind of funny. Bunch of little bunch of little yahoos. I was like,
Did you
nah,
send
you
some?
guys, you want to have a piece of this? Basically, just
Oh,
said f around and find out.
oh, I can imagine.
You could imagine, and everything you can imagine is true. I'm gonna go
Could imagine.
to Cairo my CL stop and just stop it. I'm thinking maybe it can break out of this little range it got itself into and push for higher highs here. That's the only reason I'm being really aggressive on the target. You didn't do the CL with me, did you?
I did not do the CL with you now.
All
I
right. Well,
am not in there.
you got that NQ earlier that I
I
didn't
got
get.
the NQ, yeah. I'm good. I'm good. I only had that one loss this morning on NQ. Everything else has been just sweet.
Yeah, no, that's it. Same here.
This
I'm only
crap's
have.
working out, man. I'm telling you,
What'd you say?
it's working. I said, this is working.
Oof, did you think it wouldn't work? All right. Do we think
Well,
6E short now? Because I am
I
inclined to
didn't
just
with all
get
the
into.
distractions. All
I'm
right,
inclined
6E,
to get
let's
into
look at it.
6E like right now. I know I'm a tick late, but it's such a freaking small risk. It has this is like
All
no
right, let's
risk
do it.
whatsoever. I got to do
Let's
it.
do it.
I'm
I'm
in.
gonna try it too.
I'm in it.
I'm in a little late, but
It
I'm
filled
in.
me a ticket. You're probably at the exact same price I am
I'm
now.
at 920.
20, yeah. It filled me after. Uh, uh, uh
Ooh,
Kind of
look at
weird.
this thing go. Are they gonna retrace this move? What are they gonna do?
I don't know. Get me up here. Give me a little short up here around this level here. I'll take the short on the NQ and the ES if they set up right. Let me double check this. Double check this. All right. We do. I want to do a temperature check with Gray and actually this is because we're gonna be talking to Gray and Russ and Yeti trades. Um, those of
6E
you
for a
that
little
are in
bit.
here, this should be a pretty easy morning follow, right?
I hope
This
so.
is a question for not Gray or Yeti trades because we're going to be meeting with them to make your experience better this afternoon or today at some point. So members, people that are in the room with us, chime in. It's pretty easy to follow this morning, right? We didn't have yeah, this should be a decent area to short this, by the way. I think this is a yeah, should be a decent area to short it. Again, I wanted long lower, but never went lower, so it came up for the decent little short area.
No, it's the daily. I was saying, well, that doesn't look like a.
What'd you say? The
No, I
the
didn't.
day.
I didn't realize that was a daily chart you were
Oh
looking at.
yeah,
I was
the
like, wait.
daily's long.
I
Oh, the
was like, wait,
daily.
that small
The
time
daily's
frame
the
looks like a long.
well. I mean, if
We're in
we
the
trade
long.
micros, I would put a long on the euro with a big stop.
They
Actually,
even have micros.
we
They have
might just
euro
start doing that
micros.
because I looked at this on uh CL, and that structure is freaking pretty darn good, stochastically speaking. Like when the daily's overbought, start looking for shorts. When the daily's oversold, start looking for longs. I mean, obviously, but uh, here's another thing that I looked at too. This was really pretty eye opening when I was doing some studying. This GC at a 500 tick just plays the 89 on both sides really well. I mean, really well for some good trades. Really good trades. RTY is trying to set up for short. I missed my short on the ES there. Sugar britches. Yeah, that was the overbought sell signal on the ES there. I was too busy looking at something else. Sorry about that. Okay, don't bite me. 6E. That's gonna be painful. That's a setup though. I mean, I didn't quite. I should have probably let this candle finish down, but you had two that stopped with a wick, and it seemed to make sense, right?
I mean, you would think right here it would come back at least. That just didn't work out. But I think we're
Yeah,
doomed at this
that's a
point.
good
Now it
trade. All right.
looks
So
like a
again,
long
let me
now.
look back at this.
I mean, the more I look at it, it really is kind of a long, higher lows.
I mean, no, it is definitely an up,
Yeah.
somewhat of an uptrend for the early mornings. But again, good level. It's a good level. It's a really good level. And I like trading levels that have worked before. Oh, and it's actually a good level, long and short. Look at that. It's a good level. Trades have come from there. Trust the big tick chart. That's all I can say. I'll trust the big tick chart. There's your ES. RTY short. You should be in it now if you wanted to do it. Alright, nobody's chatting. I asked a question, nobody else answered it. That's fine. Must be easy to follow. Alright, fine. Yeti trades, gray. Pretty easy to follow this morning. Trades. Make sure people on your well, I'll just talk to you guys later. Nice. Yeah, easy. I think this is easy stuff. I mean, it's not complicated. Big tick chart gets overbought and sets up for a short, you take it. Couple candles, stop in the same spot. Big tick chart gets oversold. Couple candles stop in the same spot. Take it long. Big tick charts in the middle like it is now. Do nada. Nothing. No ting.
Noting. Here's that.
Maybe we close the 6E out for a little
At this point, you might as well just let it run when the difference isn't going to be that much.
what is it, another 50, yeah, like another $50.
Yeah. And maybe we get lucky in it. Nope, never mind. As soon as
Maybe
I
we get
said
lucky
that.
in. Nope. I don't think it's flat. Maybe we get lucky
Maybe
and lose money on
maybe nope.
it.
Maybe we get lucky and lose money on it.
Well, the good news is at $200, I can make that back in a shake of a lamb's tail. Shake of a lamb's tail. All right. So pre this candle, that's a setup. Am I wrong? Okay, maybe it
I
wasn't
mean,
quite overbought, but it did get overbought with this candle. So with this candle breaking down, I mean that was a setup. Maybe we should have waited just for this. Maybe we should have waited for this candle to finish. That's the only thing I can say. But then hindsight's like 2020, right? So
coulda, woulda, coulda.
it says it. I mean, especially now, if this candle finishes where it's at, it says the short exactly where we're at. Especially if the next candle pushes down, we got 25 ticks left. You'll know 25 ticks. Never mind. It's probably just gonna push up in the last 10 ticks. Oh well. Um, I'd still take the morning. The morning we've had has been blessedly good.
I mean, 2 losers is not terrible because the
This is
winners were
not. This
huge.
is not. I mean, a $200 loser for me is a laughable event.
Down 367.50 in one account, and all the other ones are green.
I got my $800 loss on that one account because I took the two full contracts on the NQ. And everything, yeah, everything else is green. Everything else is green, buddy. Green, 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 green. Happy with it. So happy with it that look at see what all Trump's is up to here. How Donald Trump's approval rating has changed since
God, they just print shit, don't they?
caution Caribbean destination. Americans urge to exercise caution. Caribbean destination. Just a boat strike off it. Whoa. Civilian aircraft. We did the math. Does your Costco membership pay for itself? Let's see if I found it. What is it? That guy looks like what's his name? Like the movie character in Morpheus.
Blue Deaths.
Oh, whatever. No, no. Kelly Clarkson, don't care about that. Nope. Yeah, that's true. Alright, that's enough of that.
Whatever. That
That's
Mr.
enough.
Beast is broke.
Mr. Beast.
That man ain't broke. He's worth billions.
Mr. Beast. Delbert. Greenland. Uh-oh.
We're invading Greenland.
We're gonna own Greenland before too long.
I don't know. I heard they got a tactic. They got a strong military. They can fight back.
Ooh, high protein cheeseburger wraps. Now you got my attention.
Hey, now we're talking.
Now you
Look
got
at
my
that.
attention. All right. Now here's the funny
And that
thing
was our news section of the program this morning.
there was your that was your news section of the program. Let's see. I wonder if I can use Copilot to tell me if a good trade's coming up. Look, it would have filled me anyway on 6E. Okay.
Ooh, that would be fun. Watch
Huh?
this.
Let's try.
Oh, now I'm going to try something.
Let's put Copilot on here.
Where the hell is my Copilot? There it is.
Copilot. Yeah, once you do it, because it's going to talk to everybody if I do it.
Where's my Copilot?
Like ask it for like a overbought ES short signal.
Hold on, let me save this first.
Honestly, we should be taking a break at this point in time, but I don't really feel like taking a break right now because
All right, we go here. And then we say, look at our screen, right? Isn't that how it works? Yep. Oh, crap. I don't know which screen it is.
You got to pick it. Well, you got
Can't see it. It's too damn small. I know. I got to make this thing bigger. Hold on.
I'm getting a
There we go.
I'm getting a new screen today, too.
Need another monitor?
Yeah. I'm up in
all right.
Game.
Now,
I found one.
Welcome back, Paul.
I found a Samsung Curved special for like it was like nice. It was I didn't find it. You know who found it. And she was like, "You need a new screen." And I was like, "Yeah." Well, this one's Samsung. It does all the good stuff.
What did I say? Tell me when.
I start talking. I don't know. I just all I've done is can you type it in to Copilot? It's
Yeah, I
all
don't
right.
have a mic on. I don't have a mic on this one.
I've only ever talked to it. Yeah, tell it when to. Tell me, give it parameters. Like,
See what
see
it
now if
says. I
this is a
just gave it a
losing
very
trade,
general.
if this is a losing trade, yeah, don't keep it specific. You can't be general with these things. Um, um, man, let's get a rally sale here. I don't know. Me, 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 me.
Okay, I got to talk to it.
Welcome back, Paul.
I
Welcome
told you
back,
you had to
Paul.
talk to it.
I can't talk to it. I don't have a mic on this.
I'll try it later.
Yeah, that'd be fun to
Add
try and see what
sound.
happens.
I wonder. Oh, I gotta start adding some sounds to this.
All right, that's enough playing around. Should we
That's
take a
enough.
break? Because we're neither one of us are paying attention.
Well, there's not anything to do right now. I mean,
I know. That's what I'm saying. Should we take a break?
what? I'm gonna wait for the perfect A plus setup. There's not one on ES, not one on NQ, definitely not one on NQ. Maybe we're getting to an area here on the RTY. I would entertain another long on CL, but again, it's not oversold, not where I want it to be. Overbought here on NQ. I mean 6E, which we're in the trade we're supposed to be in. So
Run to
yeah, let's take a break.
the hills.
I'm,
I got
I'm gonna
Ozzy on
kill
my
this.
brain.
Let's take a break. I'm gonna kill the stream. Start it over next time. On no, so for
Why?
members,
Why
I'll
do you
just
do that?
huh?
Oh, you're going to kill the live
The
stream.
YouTube stream, so people get the
Okay, yeah,
notification
don't.
again.
Yeah, so yesterday you killed the.
It's because I am technologically so
Because
advanced
you're
that
because we're two normal dudes trading, not two tech
two
dudes
technical
trading.
dudes trading, two normal dudes.
Two
Members,
non-tech dudes
members
trading.
here.
That's what we should change the name to.
All right, yeah. So let me kill this live YouTube.
Oh,
If you're on
Yeti was
YouTube,
into
come join
60.
us. If you're listening on YouTube, join us. Two normal dudes trading on the Discord. Um, you'll enjoy chatting with members. You'll enjoy getting post trades, getting support from our members, all kinds of good stuff inside the paid YouTube or inside the Discord. Even just in the
Speaking of
Discord, there's a
chatting
lot
with
of good
members,
stuff for the
anybody in the member
non-paid
hangout?
people. But inside the members area, we have members hangout where they're constantly talking about the trades they're taking with us. So come join us if you're on YouTube, and we'll be back later. If you're on the YouTubes, let me turn off the stream.
Run to the hills. Is anybody in the member hangout? Y'all need to go hang
They're
out.
in here if
They're
they're
in here.
listening
Yeah,
to
that's
us.
true.
But I mean, I encourage you guys while we're on break to go to member hangout. I would definitely encourage that. Um, what I would ask that you guys do, members, while you're on break, go to the member hangout or go to somewhere, member hangout, and talk about things you want me to record. Because I need to put some educational stuff up for you guys, or I'd like to.
Some
I'm trying to find
educational
my
stuff.
two dudes on break. There we go. Two dudes on break.
When's MLK? Monday?
What'd you
We
say?
gotta,
Was it not okay?
yeah, when's it not okay? No, MLK. It's Monday, right? Holiday.
Got a thing?
It's a holiday.
Click below. Alright. Stopping the stream. Click below.